malasang-lasa. Ano, binili daw nila
We're gonna sit out here and eat us lunch today. We got sabaw.
Sumama sila.
Hindi, yung binili nilang ano, bangka na 35,000.
Sit here in the pot
yung
here.
maki na lang ang natira kasi na
This is
ano
sabaw.
na, nawasak na.
What's sabaw made of, honey?
Kinaya daw nila.
Ah?
What's sabaw made of? What do you put in
Pork.
this? Pork.
Pork ribs and
Vegetable.
pollo,
Pollo's, cabbage,
beans,
beans,
and I put little sayote
little sayote in there
Yeah.
also as well.
Malagay na nila dun ito.
So
and pepper,
And
green
pepper.
pepper
Kinabati.
that's what we got for lunch.
for lunch.
Oh, we got customers going in the store, so Marissa has to go and take care of that. Hazel's sitting here, she's gonna eat hers. Is it good, Hazel? Already? And I'll show you here the specialty to this meal.
Siliti sa iro.
How you say it?
Siliti sa iro.
Is that right word?
Sili.
Sili Isariro, huh?
Ilocano, that is sili isairo.
It's Ilocano, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, Ilocano. I just call it silly. Silly chili. But
Yung
Here's how I
Tagalog,
mix-
sili ng demonyo. Sa iro, di ba?
nandamonyo?
It's a pepper of the devil. In Tagalog.
A pepper of the what?
Because
Of the
very
devil.
hot.
Oh,
Hot.
it's hot. Well, I got mine mixed up here.
Isang kilo na.
I cut my little peppers up so they're not just one whole pepper for me to eat. And then I just
Apa, hindi ko na magtom.
make sure I get all the peppers in there. Try to get all the peppers. And I just scatter that around my stuff there. So that's how I go about it. Mix it all up. Take the first bite and wish I hadn't put all that in there.
Where's the pork?
There.
Huh? I got pork in there. There's a big piece of pork meat in there, pork rib. See that pork rib? Yeah. Got a piece of pork rib in there. So I'll see if we can taste this here, see what it tastes like. Tastes pretty good. Can you see me?
Hawakan mo nga
So,
aso.
uh-oh, her fingers just went across.
This one.
Now you're filming you.
But I...
We'll try this here. Very good. But this is for, as you see, it's raining outside probably. And you know from the previous videos that it's raining out here. We're expecting a typhoon, well, not a typhoon. Tropical depression is supposed to be moving through just south of us here, so the kids are now out of school. They got released from school early today. They're inside the house.
Buti na lang.
But we're out here. This is our lunch today, and waiting on this tropical depression to come through and see what happens with it. The kids probably be out of school again tomorrow because the typhoon is not supposed to hit till early tomorrow morning. So I'm pretty sure signal number 2 will still be up tomorrow morning if it doesn't go up even higher. So we'll just wait and see how strong the storm gets between now and the time it hits. But the word we have is it's supposed to hit between Aurora and Isabella Province, which we're in Isabella Province, so it'll track right through there. So we'll just see how it goes, and I don't think it's supposed to be that windy. We'll check the weather later on today and see what it's going to be like. And if we have to make any preparations for it, we'll go ahead and do that this afternoon. So right now it's time to eat, get some energy for the rest of the afternoon. Let these ladies all eat. get their meal finished. And Grandma's already talking about, she was riding in the van with me to go pick up Sam. She's talking about having to go and board her doors up and get ready, take her plants in, take your gas in.
Ang gasol
So-
ko, paano ko?
Bakit?
Paano kami magluto?
Grandma's really worried about these storms. She don't like these storms, do you?
Bakit hindi ka marunong?
Huh?
Mag-ulan man doon, maghangin sa labas.
You don't like these storms, do you, Grandma?
Ngayon.
All right. We'll see what happens here. So we'll just continue on and get our meal finished, and then we'll go about the rest of the day. What is better on a rainy day than to sit outside in the kubo and eat sabaw? Sabaw?
Yes.
Look at that. Pot's in about empty now. That was the pot there. Everybody's sitting out here in the rain. Hazel, Marissa, Mama, Grandma.
Very nice.